Hello everyone, welcome to day 20th of LeetCode August challenge, and today's question is reorder list. You're given a linked list and you need to reorder it in this fashion. So the first element stays as it is, and then you pick the last element, then the second element, and then the second last element. So the order becomes something like 1, 4, 2, 3. And let's understand the second example: 1, 5, 2, 4, and then understand the now let's understand the trick of the problem, how to solve this question. If you know or you already know the trick, you will be able to code it, and if you don't know the trick, then it might be a little struggle for you. So here is a linked list that is given. Let's take an example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're given the head of the linked list. What you're going to do is, using the slow and a fast pointer approach, you will identify the middle element of the linked list. So uh, how does the fast and slow pointer approach works is, you increment the fast pointer by 2 units while the slow moves ahead by a single unit, and when the fast pointer reaches the end, the slow pointer will be at the middle of the linked list. So in this case, for the slow pointer will be at the fourth index, and what you need to do is, you need to split the linked list from at this point. So just from the previous element of the slow pointer, you need to make it null and create one first part of the linked list as 1, 2, 3 null, and the second part of the linked list becomes 4, 5, 6 null. So this becomes the second part of your linked list, and this is the second head, this is the first head. Now you want to do is, you will reverse the second list as 6, 5, 4 null. So you split the linked list into two parts, then you reverse the second part of the linked list, and now you have to merge in the final step. You have to merge the first part and the second part, picking alternatively, starting from the first one and then the second one. So this comes one comes as a first element, then you pick 6, then you pick second, and then you pick 5, and then you pick 4, and then you pick 3, and then you pick 4. So the resultant becomes like 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. Let's code it up now. So using the fast pointer slow pointer technique, identifying the middle element. So list node fast equals to head, list node slow equals to head. Oh, before that we can have one of the checks as, if head equals to null, or head dot next equals to null, or head dot next is equal to null. Then you actually don't need to do anything. It has at max 2 elements, and you can simply return. And now coming back to the fast and slow pointer technique. So you have fast and slow. While fast is not equal to null, and fast dot next is not equal to null, slow equals to slow dot next, fast equals to fast dot next, and if fast is not equal to null, we'll increment fast by another place. So what you're doing is, you are moving fast 2 times while the slow moves only a single time. So what we have done so far is, if the linked list is something like this, the input linked list is something like this: 3, 4, and 5. So fast and slow both started from 1. Fast moved twice, 3 and 5, while slow moved 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. So slow will be here and fast will be here, and now you need to break at this point, like just one node prior to the slow one. So we'll need another pointer named as slow rev, which will point to the previous node before the slow pointer, just before the slow pointer. So slow rev equals to slow, and now you will break it up in two parts. So slow prev dot next becomes null, and slow pointer marks the head of the second list. Now slow pointer is the head of second list, what you're going to do next is you're going to reverse this list. We need to reverse the second list. So I'll be storing another pointer named as reverse head, reverse, using the slow pointer, and let me just define a method that reverses the list. Private list node reverse list node slow. So list node previous, this is a typical method to write to reverse the linked list. List node current equals to slow, and while current is not equal to null, what you will do is you will store the forward pointer, forward, that will be current dot next, and you will make current dot next point to previous one. Previous will become current, and current will become previous, forward, something like this, and you will return previous. So that will be the head of your reverse list. So now you have two lists, reverse head and the head, actual head that you have had. So you'll be using two iterators, it2 equals to reverse head. This is your second list head. List node it1 will be equals to head, because head of the first list remains same, and you'll require another node for iteration, it, which will be equals to you need to define the head of our new list, that will be equal to merged head equals to new linked list. So that's just a dummy kind of a thing that you're putting, and this will point to merge head. And now let's iterate through it1, it2 alternatively. While it1 is not equal to null and it2 is not equal to null, what you're going to do is it.next. So you need to store the forward pointer first, it1 forward and it2 forward. For one, it1 dot next, and what you're going to do is it.next equals to it1, it1 equals to for one, and similarly you'll require the other forward pointers. And just replacing this. Also, there's one other important step that I missed, it equals to it dot next, and here as well it equals to it dot next. So this way I have chosen the first element from the first list, second element from the second list, and what the final part would be, return reverse head dot next. I think this should work. Let's try this up. Cannot find symbol merge head. Okay, I think I made a typo here, and this will be reverse merge head dot next. So we don't need to return, you just need to set. So your new head will be something like this, and you're done. This should work. Yeah, it passed, and let me just submit the code. Accepted. I made a silly mistake thinking that return type is the new head, but you need to update the current list. So sorry for that. And we are done with the solution. The time complexity would be order of log n, as you are traversing the list twice, uh, first for using the slow and the fast pointer approach, then you are reversing one part of the list. So second time you did here, and actually three times, then you are merging the list again. So or time complexity is 3 into order of n. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubts with respect to solution that I proposed, please feel free to get in touch.